did you know you can make isometric drawings in Procreate? If you don't know what isometric is, it's a type of drawing that maintains same width within the plane that you are drawing. So there is no perspective, okay? And you can create these. There are many examples you can find on the web of what is isometry and isometric drawings. And I normally work on them in Illustrator, and it's more technical in the Illustrator, but in Procreate is a lot of fun. So I just have right now these two examples here, and I will show you one of them. So the basic you will need is to create a grid. In Illustrator, there are ways to create in the grid. Here is very simple. You go to Settings, Drawing Guide, and the first drawing guide you will have is another one. It's not isometry. So you go here and select Isometric Guide. You can change the opacity. I will put it high for this video. Okay. Also maybe thick, just in case the camera is not working well. And here you can change the grid size. I'm not changing right now because it has an illustration in there. So you can select also assisted drawing, and I will show later what is that, but you can also turn it on later. I will show you. So as you can see, the isometry just basically creates the same size on everything in the plane. You don't have perspective here. So if you go in perspective, if you go farther, it will be smaller. But here, no. So it's very easy to draw in here. I will create a new layer, and let me choose my line art brush and black, so you can, well, maybe we're going with this. Let's choose maybe this blue. Okay, let's say you want to draw something, and you can just guide yourself using the grid. So let's make a cube, for example. Oh, sorry. So you can see here I can like move anywhere and it's not attaching to anything. If I use assisted drawing in this layer, click here, click the layer, drawing assist, and what it's gonna do is that I'm not able to move up or down. It just move around the line I just started with. So if I do this, it will just go directly down. It creates perfect lines along the mesh. So let's say we have a cube, okay? This is maybe the easiest way you can draw a cube. I'm going really fast here, so I'm not caring too much about perfectionism here. It's just for showing the tool, okay? So, and then for coloring, you have to choose where you want the light. In this drawing, I have the light coming from top. So you just use 3 shades of the colors. And let's say I chose this one. I normally don't go to so bright here, but like, okay, let's use the bright. Oh, sorry. Here, some line. You can go here, then a bit darker for this, and then even darker for the next. And more or less, that's a rule of thumb for me right now, but you get the idea of where the light is coming from. So about this. And once you start doing these, like small geometric shapes, then you can pass to create, like, for example, these mountains. You can check many images online to give you ideas. These trees, I kind of cheated with them because I just used my own brush set. What is it? My nature brush set, where I have the trees stems basically. So I just created the trees, and as you can see, and then use this tool. Wait, let's put this in another layer so you can see. And then here you just distort. Here you just have to make a distortion, helping yourself with the grid. Okay, and then here, yeah, can you see? Then for drawing, then you start playing with the lights. And for example, here in the bushes, I just place more light on the top, more or less following the idea of light. So this is how you create isometric illustrations. If you would like to see a full example of me drawing one, please make it in the comment. So, and if you have like one example you want me to do, I can maybe create it for next time. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and please comment, subscribe, and check the description for something interesting down there. Thank you, and see you next time.